Now, I was thinking that growing up, I think all boomers heard this. There's nothing certain in life but death and taxes.
Exactly.
So we know we're going to have to pay some taxes. There's no doubt about that.
Right.
But how do we prevent the IRS from taking most of our money from our retirement investments?
Well, I'm going to give you that answer, Carolyn.
Okay.
You know, the main thing is I want to emphasize is that if you make money, you pay taxes.
True. There's no way to avoid
There's no way to avoid that. What if you spend money? You pay taxes.
Exactly.
All right. Now you can't avoid that. And if you save money, you pay taxes.
Yes.
All right. Even if you die, you pay taxes. Well, the thing is, one way to handle or minimize the tax bite when it comes to the resources for your retirement income, utilize tax deferral and get as many of the deductions you can possibly get. Now, tax deferral is defined as receiving interest three ways on your retirement nest egg. Interest on your interest, interest on that principal, and then interest on the money that you would ordinarily have to pay Uncle Sam. So we utilize a lot of strategies or employ a lot of strategies such that tax deferral is involved. So you pay the taxes when you're ready. How about that?
That sounds good.
All righty.
Now, how do we avoid irreversible and costly financial mistakes when we're managing our annuity contracts?
Well, one thing about annuities, as I mentioned earlier, there are liquidity options. However, if you withdraw these funds, or you walk away with the monies, there are withdrawal charges that would be assessed that possibly could reduce the principal if you didn't accumulate enough interest. So that's why you have to be suitable. It's a long-term, and there are short-term contracts available to you. So you don't want to dip into your annuity and take more than the penalty-free amount that's available for you. And that's why we set up an emergency fund, so that it will take care of those occurrences where there's money that is needed for some type of emergency.